Okay, so we've just moved a little bit over, and I thought what we try now is to use the 70 to 200 on here to get a bit of compression from all these trees behind. So we'll have a look at that, and again it's with the A7 III. Okay, so what I've done here, I've got my ambient exposure, which is 1/160th of a second f5, and I'm on ISO 320 because I do want to keep the shutter speed up because I'm using the 70 to 200 now. And I've got the flash basically on a power setting of 3. So I'm going to have a look in just a sec. The eye focus is working fine. Let me just check. Yeah, they're beautiful. Yep. Gorgeous. Really pretty. I'm going to try and get down reasonably low so that I can get the trees a little bit above Kiara's head. It's beautiful, Kiara. All right, now take a couple of steps back and just start walking towards me, all right? I'm just going to get you in the middle so you can hide that lady though. So come across this way, keep coming. A bit more. All right, so just be mindful of where that flash, just wait a second, I'm just going to wait for this lady to disappear. Okay, just be mindful of where that flash is, all right? Okay, go. Keep your head up though, that's it. Beautiful.
What are we doing?
Same thing, just walking towards me. Yep. Okay, off you go. So the aim, the light's still filling, just enough to light Kiara. Okay. All right.